Welcome back to Car Flair. The 2026 Mercedes Motorhome Camper Buss is the definition of refined luxury blended with road trip practicality. Crafted for elite travelers who desire both performance and prestige, this mobile suite delivers an exceptional experience from every angle. Its commanding presence begins with a sleek, aerodynamic body, sculpted with signature Mercedes contours and a high roofline for added internal space. A chrome-trimmed front grille, LED matrix headlights, and flush-mounted windows give it a futuristic yet timeless appearance. The electric sliding door and retractable side steps make for effortless entry, while the panoramic side glass floods the cabin with natural light. Step inside, and the story of elegance continues. The lounge area is designed like a high-end hotel lobby, complete with ultra-soft reclining captain chairs and a spacious wraparound sofa that converts for overnight stays.
This camper will blow your mind. Let's come into the cabin. You will remain surprised.
The surfaces are trimmed in real wood and brushed metal, while ambient lighting runs across the ceiling panels to set a calming mood. Mercedes' commitment to craftsmanship is evident in every detail, from the suede roof lining to the silent close cabinets and doors. One of the standout features is the central meeting zone, equipped with an adjustable table and 4 premium leather seats, ideal for working, dining, or socializing on the go. Behind this, the bathroom suite includes a compact but fully private layout with a standing shower, illuminated mirror, and a smart flushing system. The walls are finished with moisture-resistant panels and the lighting is motion sensor controlled. The driver's cockpit feels like a tech-forward control room. The fully digital dashboard merges seamlessly with a large curved touchscreen that handles navigation, entertainment, climate control, and real-time vehicle diagnostics. The interface is voice-responsive and supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. A 360-degree camera system ensures total confidence while maneuvering. Pricing for this luxury unit starts at $420,000, reflecting the precision engineering, intelligent systems, and premium finish that define the Mercedes brand. Whether you're heading to a mountain resort or cruising coast to coast, this motorhome makes every journey unforgettable.
Thanks for watching Car Flair. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates.